Hello there, and welcome to an audio recording of Unit Test 7 over quadratic functions. Question number 1. Which graph represents a function with a domain of all real numbers greater than or equal to -7 and less than 2? Number 2. What is the range of f of x equals 9 minus x squared? Is it f of x is less than or equal to 9, g, all real numbers, h, -3 is less than or equal to x, which is less than or equal to 3, or j, f of x is greater than 9? Number 3. Which function's graph has a vertex at 3, 5 and contains the point 5, 13? Is it A, y equals 1/10, parentheses, x plus 3, parentheses, squared, minus 5? B, y equals 1/10, open parentheses, x minus 3, close parentheses, squared, minus 5? C, y equals 2, open parentheses, x minus 3, close parentheses, squared, plus 5? Or D, y equals 2, open parentheses, x plus 3, close parentheses, squared, plus 5? Problem 4. The graph of f of x equals x squared was transformed to create the graph of g of x equals x minus 7.5 squared. Which of these describes this transformation? F, a horizontal shift to the right, 7.5 units. G, a horizontal shift to the left, 7.5 units. H, a horizontal shift down 56.25 units. Or J, a vertical shift up 56.25 units. Problem 5. What is the vertex of the graph of the quadratic function f of x equals x squared plus 6x plus 10? Is it A, 3, -1, B, -3, -1, C, -3, 1, or D, 3, 1? Question 6. The graph of quadratic function g is shown on the grid. The coordinates of the x-intercepts, the y-intercept, and the vertex are integers. What is the maximum value of g? Answer. Question 7. The graph of quadratic function g is shown below. Based on the graph, between which two values of x is a 0 of g located? Is it A, -9 and -8, B, 1 and 2, C, -7 and -5, or D, 4 and 5? Question 8. The graph of a quadratic function is shown on the grid. Which function is best represented by this graph? Is it f of x equals x squared plus 3x minus 4, G, f of x equals -x squared minus 3x plus 4, H, f of x equals x squared minus 3x minus 4, or J, f of x equals -x squared plus 3x minus 4? Question 9. A projectile is launched into the air from the ground. The table shows the height of the projectile, h of t, at different times. Based on the table, which function can best be used to model this situation? Is it A, h of t is 99t squared plus 856, B, h of t equals -4.9 t squared plus 295t plus 0.6, C, h of t equals -4.9 t squared minus 295t plus 2, or D, h of t equals 99t squared plus 1,470.3. Question 10. The graph models A, the area in square feet of a rectangular porch with a length that is 0.56 W less than 28 feet, given a width of W feet. Based on the graph, what is the width in feet of a porch with the greatest area? Is it F, 175 feet, G, 50 feet, H, 25 feet, or J, 350 feet?